Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can save your web page in PDF, image and more. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. We need to open our browser and we need to open a website. Here I'm going to search random word generator. Open this website and right click anywhere in this website and you can see in here save as. So with this, you can save this page as a HTML web page complete. You can see in here. You can save this HTML. So I'm going to save this page as HTML. So it will be saved in my download. I'm going to click on save. So this is our first method. Now I'm going to show you the second method. How you can save your web page as a PDF. Select your website and press Ctrl+P. Now you can see in here. It's open our pin dialog. It's loading our view. Now you can see our web page in here. You can see all of this. So you can also customize your page all or page only or even page only or custom. So you can also change this color, black and white to coloring. For more settings you can see paper size. You can also change this paper size. Microsoft Pin to PDF or save as PDF. So I'm going to select this one, or if you can see more. So I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to save as a PDF like this. So I'm going to save all my page and click on save. So if I open this, I can see our PDF file in here. You can see our web pages in here. In this way, you can easily save your web page as a PDF. I'm going to close this one. And now I'm going to show you how you can save this web page as a image. Go to snipping tool. Simply search here. You can see in here snipping tool. Enable this. Now click on new. Drag to select your website like this. I'm going to select this area. And click on File, Save As. Click on Save. Now as you can see our website as an image. Now I'm going to save this website as a text. So I need to create a new text file and open this. We need to drag to select all of this. So I'm going to select all of this. Press Ctrl C. And press Ctrl S. I'm going to close this one. Go to my file. In here you can see our website text in here. So guys, in this way you can save your website as a PDF, image and more. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.